that the center point will be kept in the vertex, right? So the same thing we are going to do, because this is going to be the vertex. So keep that straight to the point, and on the line, the 0 should be on the line and the point will be in the vertex area. So 65 which is less than 90, which is acute angle. Yes, which is acute angle means we have to measure using the second scale, this one, okay, because these are more than 90. So this is the less than 90. 65, keep it straight. So 60, 70, in between it place, right? So 65, keep a point. Then after keeping a point, take the ruler and draw the degree point with the vertex. Degree point and the vertex should join together. Now, so the angle of this is 65 degree. Angle of that is 65 degree. So same like that, listen again. So I am drawing the arm, any measure, but it should not extend too much, and then we have to keep the center point here and the 0 will be on the line. Okay, so like this I will keep it, and then I have to mark the 90. It's exact 90 for both the scales. 90 will be same. Okay, keep the point there. Then take the ruler and draw the line for the point to the vertex. So now it forms 90. For 90 we have to draw this angle. Are you clear? Shall we try one more? Okay. Last question, 140 degree. So for base we will draw a ray with any measure, and this is going to be the vertex. So to the vertex point we have to keep the center, and the 0 will be on the line. So it's 140 degree, which means it's a obtuse angle. Yes, which is a obtuse angle. So we have to measure this second scale 140. So straight to the 140 we have to keep the point. Then after that we have to join the point with the vertex, point to the vertex. So the angle of this is said to be 140 degree. Okay, so many angles are there, right? From 0 to 180 there are many angles are there. Try to pick any angle randomly and try to do the picture which is using the ruler and the protractor. Okay, try to do some more problems on your own so that you will be very easy, clear. And the main thing is you have to work on it, because the point, even the point is very important in this. The whole picture will be disturbed. Next one, we are going to draw the same angle without using the measure, without using the this protractor. So based on the line segment. So line segment means it have a starting point and an ending point. Okay, with that we are going to draw a line. I am taking a line segment for 6 centimeter. I am going to use the compass to draw the angle. So always the angle should not be more than half. For 6, half is 3. So obviously your angle should be, your measure should be less than the 3. Okay, so I am taking this. From here I am marking an angle. Okay, I am marking an arc. I am forming an arc. So after that the arc is cut into the line, right? The arc is cut into the line. I am going to keep that point and going to draw an angle. Go drawing an arc in the arc. So first arc I draw from here. From the point I measured, from here I measured more less than half, and then I drew this arc. Okay, after that the arc and the line is intersecting, right? From here I am marking one more arc on the arc. Okay, on the arc I am marking. So there is intersecting point of the two arc, right? So to cut that, the vertex and the center is going to join to form the angle, which is $60. See here, which is 60. Okay, so whatever the measure, you will get the angle as 60 only. Okay, if you are drawing like that, the line segment will be given. Will draw. I will measure the line using the compass. Half, less than half. Okay, so less than half. After that, using the compass, we are going to draw it. I will draw one more. But for all the angles, for all the construction, you will get the angle as 60 degree only. Let's check with the one more problem. Okay, so I am going to take now, I took 6 centimeter here. So I am taking 8 centimeter. Okay, I am taking 8 centimeter. My measure should be less than 4, half of the line segment, less than half of the line segment. So from here I am going to take less than 4. From less than 4 I took and mark an arc, and it cut the line. The arc intersect the line. From the intersecting